to my channel. So today I have a project to share for you. I'm gonna show you this record player, this 3D record player that I made. So here it has like the vinyl. Back in the day when you had the vinyls, and then you had the lifted thing that to lift the record on. Well, if you or enough, you know what a record player is. And then here is the gift spot here where this comes out here. So you can put a gift card here. This is only temporarily here. So I put a gift card here. And then here I put a sentiment on top of here that says, "To me, old age is always 10 years older than I am." So I think it turned out way cute in the end. So it's like a really nice project and a gift card at the same time. So it's really cute in the end. I just want to come on here and show you. So thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe. Till next time. See ya.